are going to create a windmill using paper craft. Let's see what are the materials needed for this project. First, we need a color papers, toilet paper tube, sketch pen, scissor, glue gum, pencil, and most importantly, the curiosity to learn. Let's see how to create a windmill using toilet paper tube. Hereafter, don't throw it. We'll take a blue color paper. You can take whatever the color you like. Here I am using blue color paper and cover the toilet paper tube with this paper. Glue the toilet paper tube entirely and paste it with the blue color paper. Do it slowly, entirely, perfectly. Good, it's done. To cover the top and bottom, just give little cuts to the paper, glue it and then paste it. The folding will be so proper and perfect. Winds affect every part of the earth. Wind turbines can be put in any area where there is a lot of wind. The wind blows turbine blades, which then turns. This turning motion is transferred to your generator to produce electricity. So this is the purpose of having a windmill, the wind turbines. Okay. The similar way you have to do it on the top also. You're almost done. Yes, it's done. Perfect. Next, we'll take the yellow color paper to draw the doors and windows of our windmill. Let's draw a door and a window. For the window, we are using two windows here. Just draw a circle to make us a handle and windows as well. Wind power is a renewable source of energy, which means that it will not run out. The lands between the turbines can be used for farming. Wind turbines can be used to supply energy in remote places. So now let's cut a circle. If you like, you can close the top of the windmill using the cone shape. You can use any color chart paper and make a cone and place it on the top of the windmill and cover it. Here I am making a simple windmill, so I am not doing that. Next, we'll take a black color chart paper and cut it into two strips to make the blades. So place the two blades and cover the center with the circular blue color, yellow color chart paper. Now paste the turbine blades. Paste the doors and windows as well. Door at the bottoms, windows, little top to the doors. Our windmill is almost ready. Yes, it's done. Thanks for watching.